Hello, thank you for watching this tutorial from Room to Craft. I'm going to show you how I use this all-in-one machine to create this card. We die cut the background out from a lawn fawn background die. And I'm using this adorable little mountain stamp. I'm going to die cut these out. This is a full tutorial on how I create this card so you can use all these elements at home. I'll put a list in the description of the supplies that we used. I'm using these mini glue dots and I'm just attaching the light and the battery, and I just spread the two prongs from the light apart enough so that it sits apart. You can use pop dots or foam to pop your card up, depending on what you have. Showing these alcohol markers. These alcohol ink markers we just got in from Tombow. These are great, work really well with the Lawn Fawn alcohol ink friendly marker, alcohol ink friendly ink pad. You can do this before, probably better. There's just figuring out placement. You can decide, I put enough in your kits to figure out placement and decide which trees you want. Just stress the edge of the trees if you like. You can either use a brush or a dauber. You can even take your tree stems and run them through the ink pads. You're going to use your mini glue dots to place your trees. And then trim those edges off. You have your season's greetings elements. Use a couple glue dots to secure it down. And you can also add some extra glue to the edges to give it extra security. I kind of just squish the glue dot and make it long. And then I'll like a little extra glue on those little string edges to keep it secured. You want to make sure you use the tree that has the press here on it, on this left side right above the light when you're attaching them. And make sure those prongs are set a little bit farther apart so that they're not touching and connect only when you hit the press here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. We have kits available online.